Good morning. Back for our 8 games of qualifying today. We're balling on the chameleon pattern. 39 feet, I think.
Players that are here for A squad.
Roll call's happening. I just used the bathroom. I made it in time. I think it would have been okay either way. Starting on 1 and 2. Like I said yesterday, 2-sided building, 12 aside. Some good players in this field. So this is different. We have the QR code to scan. Apparently it's the first ever PBA event to use QR codes to pull up the scores. That's kind of nice. Saving paper, saving the planet, I think. I don't know if PBA is just trying to get with the times or if that's actually the case. Either way, that's kind of cool. I won't be looking at scores because that's just not what I do and I don't think it helps. But moving forward, I think this is what we're gonna start doing. Alright, we got a little 2-game update. 4250, return 504, I think. They're not very hard. They're reactive, surprise, no urethane. It's been pretty sloppy though. A little grabby at the bottom. Might be a little early. I'm gonna try not to think about it too much. Just focus on making good shots. But so far so good. Not even close to the lead. A lot of big scores and good players, but at the same time, if you're not playing them right, pretty easy to bowl a bad game. So we'll give you an update every 2 games. So interesting development. Our lane broke down. We are 4 frames in, 4.5. Well, everyone's 5 frames in, I'm 4. We'll be fixable for 2 hours. So luckily, there are 4 blinds in this house. It's packed, 24 lanes.
So what's happening over here?
Yeah, I was just explaining that. So our lane broke down. Luckily, there are 4 blind spots. So each of us are gonna move, one of us is gonna fill one of those blinds. So we'll be able to finish the block, but we're gonna finish this game after the block is done.
Okay,
So it's interesting because it's gonna be 8 games in to finish this game. And we're halfway through this game. Yeah, I don't know what they're gonna do for brackets. So,
well, best of luck. We all know Darren can do what he can do. So.
Yeah, I mean, hopefully they don't get nasty at the end because I have the front 4 and that would suck. But yeah. Gonna make do with what we got and just keep bowling. All right, so the situation has changed again. This pair is down, and everybody that hits this pair waits the game. So we just moved pairs. We're gonna bowl game 4. We didn't finish game 3. We get 2 balls of practice, and everybody that hits lanes 7 and 8, the pair that's down, has to come back at the end. And if the pair is fixed, we bowl on that pair. But at the end, we all bowl on a pair we haven't bowled on yet to complete whatever game was bowled on that pair, if that makes sense. It doesn't make sense, but it's a different situation. I've never seen it before.
It's a tough situation for golf.
Yeah, it's a small bowling center, so it's just a difficult situation, but there's really no reason to get frustrated or mad because there's nothing literally anybody can do about it. You know, it happens. Just like Marshall hitting that truck yesterday, playing golf. It happens. right, coming out of that break, I only shot 190. I told myself to. All right, let me give you a breakdown of how the day's going. I threw the Aspect game 1, shot 240. I threw the UFO Alert game 2, shot 250. I threw the Zen game 3, had the front 4, and then the breakdown thing happened. I told PJ that I should probably switch balls again game 4. Just go straight to the high road. Screw it. Game 4. I didn't do that. I started with the Zen, and then I felt like I needed to force it a little bit, so I started doing some funny things with my hand. Eventually switch balls, looked okay, and then I did the same thing with the high road, you know, the funny things with my hand, and it was bad. Every time I missed left, I split. If I got it deep right, it 10 pin, and then I got really angry, and I only shot 190. And now I'm in the high road still, probably for the rest of the block, shot 230, and I'm still kind of angry. So I'm gonna try to get less angry and hopefully bowl better. All right, we're not officially done, but we just wrapped up game 8. We still got half of game 3 to bowl. I'm pretty upset with how things are going today. I don't feel like I'm bowling good. I'm not seeing the lanes very well, and it's just frustrating. Letting the emotions run a little too high. I just gotta calm down and bowl. But 200 over without game 3 in there. We could potentially get to 300 over. What's up, Troy? And then, yeah, just gonna try to make 8 good shots and keep it all together. Don't know where I am in the standings, don't really care, just hope it's enough, somewhat close to the top 4. There's a step ladder. So after 8 games of modified round robin tomorrow, we're gonna cut to the top 4. There's only A squad, so we'll see. All good. All right, like I said, 300 over for the 8 games. I think I might have the record for longest 300 ever bowled. That was like 2.5 hours in between my first 4 strikes and my last 8. I also shot 804 the first 3 games. So I think I like the fresh. I definitely like this side of the house better. That side of the house blows. But yeah, we should be sitting pretty good. I don't know what's leading. I don't think I'm leading. Butters bowled pretty good, PJ bowled pretty good. Marshall struggled the last game, but he was bowling pretty good up until that point. So we should be sitting all right. I threw Aspect, UFO Alert, Zen. Those were the 3 best balls today. I feel like that's way too many, considering bowling on 1 pattern and the lanes didn't really change a ton. But I think I have a good idea of what I need to do now. So tomorrow should be better than today, I hope. Yeah. It's hot outside, and I want to get out of the monkey suit.
What's up?
The
How we
Shannon
doing?
the vlogs. How you been?
Doing all right.
Working?
Just made it right. Working.
Being
cranking.
a responsible adult.
That's so fun.
You're adulting.
I'd rather be
Being irresponsible,
irresponsible
not
bowler.
adulting, halfway adulting out here on the lanes, which you're doing this weekend.
It's gonna be fun, man.
Yeah.
Gonna get some. Gonna do well.
I just bowled 300 game 3.
Did you actually?
Yeah. After the block was over, bowled 300 game 3. 7 and 8 broke down. The story is in the vlog. I'll tell you after.
Dang.
Yeah, your little return story.
That's awesome, dude.
Yeah.
Dang, man, you're a machine.
Just go 400 over and lead the thing, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Easy peasy.
And then I'll run you down for the step ladder.
All right, that's fine.
Yeah. We had lots of sushi. Good company. They're laughing their
Bob Saget.
balls off. I don't know what's going on, but having a good time. That's all that matters.
I literally cried. I laughed so hard.
All right. Yeah, we had dinner downtown again. We got to the sushi place this time. Got there before they closed, which is nice. It was okay. It wasn't the best sushi I've ever had in my life, but tomorrow we bowl at 9 a.m. We bowl 8 games of modified round robin, and then we're gonna cut to the top 4 for the step ladder. Hopefully we can turn up with a dub because it's so close this year. But we just haven't done it yet. You got any last words for the vlog?
Work harder than last time. That's it. That's all I got.
Okay, all right. Yeah, that's gonna do it for today. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you. The next one's tomorrow, so we'll see you tomorrow.